My name's Emily, and I joined LadyBoss so I could be the healthiest, best parent I could be. I played softball my entire life up until junior year of high school when I had to stop for financial reasons. That's when I just kept gaining weight and more weight and more weight. I also had my son in 2015, and I just had a miscarriage this past March, and that put me in at 211 pounds. I was disgusted with myself and I needed a change. That's when I found LadyBoss and Kaelin. That has been totally awesome. Now I'm down 28 pounds in 3.5 months, and I'm in shock. Totally in shock. This is the first thing that I've stuck to ever in my life. So I am very proud of myself and the self-love and confidence that I am gaining every day. Also, my husband is doing it along with me. He started 3 weeks ago and he's down 15 pounds. 15. So thank you so much, Kaelin, for your program and helping us with our weight loss journey. Thanks. Bye, guys.